Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete the Google Chrome web browser history on your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the web browser here, and specifically Google Chrome, which should be assumed. And now you want to go up to the menu icon near the top right, and you want to just left click on that one time. Near the bottom, you want to left click on where it says More Tools, and then go and left click on where it says Clear Browsing Data. When you get this pop-up here, you can set up the time range, so you can select anywhere from last hour, 24, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. Once you've selected that, you want to make sure these are all checked if you want to delete browsing history, cookies, as well as cached images and files. Once you're done making your selections, left click on Clear Data here. This will begin the process, will take a moment, and once it's done I would recommend closing out of your web browser, reopen it, and depending on how extensive your web browsing history is, it might take a couple minutes to run, but please be patient, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.